Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to import and export database in cpanel. Here you can see this is a WordPress website that is built with Astra theme and Elementor. So to access cpanel we need to log in into our hosting account. Here you can see I have purchased these hosting packages. Now click here login into cpanel. After that scroll down, we can find out PHP my admin. Here you can see in the databases section. Just click here PHP my admin. After that you can see the number of databases that are created in this cpanel. So these are 30 databases that are created in this cpanel. Now here you can see, just click on plus icon to expand this. Now we can access any of the database. Just click here one of these. After that here you can see this is database details. Now if you want to export, just click here on the export option. And after that you can select the format for which you want to export. If you want to import a database, just click here on the import. After that you can select database file. Here you can see you can select partial import as well as full database import. After that click here import option, then database will be imported. So thank you for watching video.